Here I have OPPO F23 and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you will have to turn your device off by holding down power key and volume up, swipe power off, and then after device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on you can see OPPO logo appeared. You can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, select English, then select Format Data, then you will have to enter this verification code, not specifically this one, you will have your own unique code. So I'm just gonna enter this one, then tap Format. After a few seconds all the data from device will be deleted and then device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.